Students, let's discuss about the Sand-Meyer reactions only. So students, I'm going to discuss about the Sand-Meyer reaction. Look at the Sand-Meyer reaction. Sand-Meyer reaction. Look at the in Sand-Meyer reaction. You remember the diazonium salts only. Diazonium salts only. Diazonium salts. So whenever diazonium salts are react with copper chloride, either Cu2Cl2 or Ce2Br2. If it react with the chlorine, they form a chlorobenzene. When they react with the bromine, it form a bromobenzene. So these things are happen only. So once again, we will give the exact idea about the chemical reactions only. This is very important students for the board examination point of view. If I take diazonium salts, I already discussed how they prepare diazonium salts only. They will take aniline and they will add small amount of hydrochloric acid in the presence of sodium nitrate. So what happens? They form diazonium salts. These diazonium salts are react with the copper chloride, Cu2Cl2. So what happens there? They form a diazonium salts. Means remember that diazonium salts, one small important point is there. And diazonium salts is one salt. Remember salt is there. So what happens there? Nitrogen is best leaving groups are there. So what happens there? Chlorine atom will come and nitrogen will leave only. So what they form? So what will get students? You will get the chlorobenzene. Here the chlorine atom will come and nitrogen gas will be eliminated only. This is called as a chlorobenzene. It is called as a chlorobenzene. Only. So similarly, I'm just taking the same compound. I'm just taking the look at. I'm just taking the compounds are there. No, here diazonium salts only. Same. I'm just taking diazonium salt. Here the N2Cl plus. When react with the copper bromide, Cu2Br2. So what happens here? The before the chlorine atom is replaced, so no here bromine atom will come only. What you'll get students is the same product you'll get as a, so what you'll get same product is a bromobenzene. You'll get the bromobenzene plus nitrogen gas. Some students they'll ask, so what about the copper chloride, something else is there? No, remember students here they act as catalyst only. Do you know very well? Catalyst doesn't take part in a chemical reactions only. For suppose I want to prepare the iodobenzene. Only. Same, do you know very well? General iodine reactions are very slow reactions only. So when you add the some catalyst, potassium iodide. So what happens there? I'll get the iodobenzene only. So what happened there? And also I want to prepare the fluorobenzene. Look at students, I want to prepare the fluorobenzene. So what happened? The chemical reaction happen very fast with fluorine, direct fluorine. So we just take some compounds, that compounds are which nothing but fluorinating agents only. Fluorinating agent stands for certain compounds are which gives the fluorine atom. Certain compounds are which gives the fluorine atom. For example, hydros HbF4 only. So what happened there? Here the fluorine atom donor only. So what happened? You'll get the fluorobenzene. Only. So fluorobenzene. So students, by this chemical reaction, I can able to prepare the chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene, and fluorobenzene. Is there no? This reaction is called Sand-Meyer reactions only. I'm just mentioning Sand-Meyer reaction. But freshly prepared diazonium salts treat with the copper chloride, copper bromide. You'll get the bromobenzene or chlorobenzene respectively. First of all, next one is the reaction of the halogen compound. Suppose this comes, I'm just taking the chlorobenzene. Already we know I'm just taking the chlorobenzene. Two is chlorobenzene only. Consider this is one chlorobenzene. I'm just taking the one chlorobenzene here. Look at this chlorobenzene nature. First of all, the bond between the chlorine and benzene nature is there. Look, I want to discuss it. Why I'm going to discuss it? But here I want to replace the chlorine atom. What are the difficulty I have to place? You must know that one is. First of all, remember the carbon which is the bond with the chlorine atom is a sp2 hybridized carbon. Why? Because double bond is there, no? And here chlorine atom is there. The chlorine atom containing of the empty vacant p orbital. So you know 2p5. 2p5 is nothing but one of the orbital is containing of the one unpaired electron is there. So what happens in this condition is there, no? Here one p orbital is vacant. Here one p orbital single electrons are there. There is a possibility of double bond is there. Only. You can able to see very clear what happens. Double bond character will be generated only. So because the double bond character, what happens here? So because the double bond character, why double bond character is coming, here the minus will come here, and here double bond is there. So because double bond character, the bond between this carbon atom, this halogen atom, very strong bond will come. It becomes a very strong bond. So what I mean, because of strong bond, is not possible to replace the chlorine atom at normal condition. It's not possible only. And also, chlorine has more electronegativity atom because of sp2 carbon atom is there. Now here, let's say I consider in the sp3 carbon atom, you just consider sp3 carbon atom, and here has a sp2 carbon atom and sp carbon atom. Sp carbon atom have the highest electronegativity because s character increases, nuclear force of attraction increases. So what happens there is very easily, it's not easily to break the bonds only. First of all, I want to discuss about this. You can able to see very clearly the halogen atom containing of this. Just look at there. Here some electrons are there. The electrons under resonance structures. Because of resonance structures, when now the lone pair of electrons move towards this carbon atom, this bond pair of electrons move to here. So what happens? Double bond produces here. The negative charge produces only. When you come to when they again the bond move to this carbon atom, what happens? Here positive generated, positive negative new bond is generated only. Again the bond pair of electrons moves toward here. What happens? Again the bond will be generated. This is equivalent reactions only. Again what happens there, we will find that one is there one new bond between the here and here, okay na? And what happens here, the consider here positive charge generated, here negative charge generated. So what happens there, the one consider the here, so when you consider the here the bond pair moves here from here to here, so new bond is generated only. So next what happens there, the consider here the students remember here the look at it here. So what when it moves, what here positive, new bond will be generated. Sorry, here the students this one is. For you can find here the one new bond is generated only. The new bond will be generated. Double bond will come here. Here positive will come here. Double bond and double bond. Here chlorine atom will be there. So when now the bond pair of move electrons move to here, it forms as a chlorobenzene. Again it forms as a chlorobenzene only. So finally we get this chlorobenzene. Because of these resonance structures, what happens there? Here the chlorine atom is then doesn't undergo easily displacement by this chemical reactions only.